Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal and I work at JR Compliance. Are you looking to expand your business to India? The process might seem complicated, but with right guidance, it can be smooth and hassle-free. At JR Compliance, we specialize in helping foreign entrepreneurs set up their companies in India effortlessly. Let's walk through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose the right business structure. The first and most crucial step is to choose the right business structure. For foreign entrepreneurs, the most preferred options are a private limited company, which allows 100% foreign ownership, which makes it ideal for startups and enterprises looking for global recognition. A limited liability partnership, which is best suited for service based businesses with multiple partners. While both options offer liability protection, the most preferred option is private limited company because of its limited liability, structured regulations, and credibility in the global market. Step 2. Gather the essential documents. To register your company in India, you'll need to have these following documents ready. For foreign directors and shareholders, you'll need a notarized passport, an address proof, and a passport size photo. For company incorporation, you must have a proposed business name, a registered office address in India, the memorandum of association, and the article of association, which describes your business objectives and structure. Having these documents in place beforehand ensures a faster and smoother registration process. Step 3. Obtain a digital signature certificate and director identification number. Since all incorporation documents are to be signed digitally, the next step is to obtain a digital signature certificate. This serves as your online signature for official filings. Along with this, every director of the company must file for a director identification number, as it is a mandatory requirement to be officially recognized as a company director in India. Step 4. Get your company name approved. Your business name plays a vital role in branding, and it must be unique as per Indian regulations. We help you check the availability of the name and register it with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Step 5. Filing for incorporation. Once the name is finalized, it's time to officially register your company in India by submitting the key documents. Once everything is verified and approved, your company gets legally registered in India and you receive a certificate of incorporation, a milestone in launching your business in India. Step 6. Post incorporation requirements. Once your company is officially registered, to start operations, you'll need a few more necessary registrations, like PAN number and TAN number, required for tax filings and compliance. GST registration, necessary if your company exceeds prescribed turnover limit. Business bank account, crucial for financial transactions. Once this is in place, your company is fully set up and ready to operate in India. So if you are also looking forward to launch your business in India and need expert assistance, contact us today at jrcompliance.com. Thank you.
JR Compliance.